Despite promising numerous additional features, the South Korean tech giant appears to be maintaining the same pricing as their predecessors, at least in Europe, according to a recent leak. This initially came as great news, but it seems we might be in for some disappointment. With almost 2 weeks remaining until the next Galaxy Unpacked event, a European online retailer, Zanetti, has listed the Galaxy S25, Galaxy S25 Plus, and Galaxy S25 Ultra, along with their prices. Here's what the listings reveal. Galaxy S25, 128 gigs, SMS 931 BZSDU, €973. 256 gigs, SMS 931 BEBGUE, €1,036. 512 gigs, SMS 931 BZSHUE, €1,162. Galaxy S25 Plus, 256 gigs, SMS 936 BZSDU, €1,246. 512 gigs, SMS 936 BBBEUE, €1,371. Galaxy S25 Ultra, 256 gigs, SMS 938 BZBDUE, €1,571. 512 gigs, SMS 938 BZBGUE, €1,696. 1 TB, SMS 938 BZBHUE, €1,948. As shown, all 3 models are approximately €100 more expensive than their predecessors, which may come as a letdown for some. However, these prices could simply be placeholders and the official pricing may vary, leaving room for optimism. Android headline is back with 75 official Samsung Galaxy S25 series images. The launch of the Samsung Galaxy S25 series is just around the corner, and we've got an exciting new exclusive leak to share. We've obtained 75 official renders showcasing the Samsung Galaxy S25 series in all its glory. Each of the 3 models is presented in 4 distinct color options, with images captured from various angles. This leak follows our initial reveal of the Galaxy S25, Galaxy S25 Plus, and Galaxy S25 Ultra designs back in September of last year. The Galaxy S25 and Galaxy S25 Plus are depicted in the ice blue, mint, navy, silver shadow. The Galaxy S25 Ultra, on the other hand, comes with a slightly different color palette, shown in titanium black, titanium gray, titanium silver blue, titanium white silver. A few days ago, Samsung announced the date for its next Galaxy Unpacked event, where it plans to unveil the Galaxy S25 series. In addition to the usual lineup, including the Vanilla, Plus, and Ultra models, leaks and rumors hint at the debut of a 4th device, the Galaxy S25 Slim. The company's teaser for the event has added weight to these speculations. However, details about the device remain scarce. A recent development shed some light on the Galaxy S25 Slim, a Samsung smartphone bearing the model number SMS937U, believed to be S25 Slim, has surfaced on Geekbench. According to the listing, the device will be powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, similar to the other models in the series. It also indicates that the phone will come with 12 gigs of RAM as one of its configurations and will run Android 15, likely paired with One UI 7.0. Samsung's next big move, Galaxy S25 Ultra, promises game-changing video quality. While leaks have already given us insights into their design, display, cameras, processors, memory configurations, and batteries, fresh claims suggest that Samsung has more surprises up its sleeve. A step ahead in low-light video performance, according to a renowned tipster from China, Ice Universe, the Galaxy S25 Ultra is set to deliver improved video quality in low-light conditions. While the tipster didn't explicitly compare it to a specific model, it's safe to assume that they're referring to the Galaxy S24 Ultra. The secret to this leap forward? The tipster hints that the enhanced performance hinges on the processor's capabilities. This likely points to the Snapdragon 8 Elite, rumored to power the Galaxy S25 Ultra and its edge over the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2. Ice Universe also emphasizes that these improvements won't extend to older models, including the Galaxy S24 Ultra. If the claims hold true, this means the Galaxy S25 Ultra could set a new standard for video quality, particularly in challenging lighting conditions. Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. Everything we know so far. Are you ready for the Galaxy S25 Ultra? Leaks are painting an exciting picture of Samsung's upcoming flagship, set to launch on January 22. With upgrades in design, charging, and performance, the Galaxy S25 Ultra might redefine what we expect from a premium smartphone. Here's everything you need to know. A lighter design and faster wireless charging. One of the standout upgrades is its lighter build, making the S25 Ultra more comfortable to handle. With a real game changer, 25-watt wireless charging powered by K2 technology. Tipster Roland Quant confirms this leap from the previously rumored 15-watt wireless charging. Samsung is also expected to release a Qi 2 compatible first-party case alongside the Galaxy S25 series, ensuring users can maximize these features right out of the box. Display and performance highlights. Prepare for a visual treat with a dynamic AMOLED 2X display featuring 120 Hz refresh rate, HDR10 plus support peak brightness up to 2,600 nits, though some reports suggest 3,000 nits, so stay tuned. When it comes to power, the Galaxy S25 Ultra doesn't hold back. It's rumored to pack the Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset globally, promising lightning-fast performance for gaming, multitasking, and everything in between. The S25 Ultra will offer versatile configurations to meet different needs. 12 gigs RAM plus 256 gigs storage. 16 gigs RAM plus 512 gigs storage. 16 gigs RAM plus 1 TB storage. Exciting news, Galaxy S25 Plus and S25 Ultra renders and cases revealed. We've got some thrilling updates about the Galaxy S25 Plus and Galaxy S25 Ultra. Two reliable sources have unveiled renders and case designs that give us a closer look at these flagship devices. Let's dive in and explore what's new. Yesterday, Gizmochina revealed renders showcasing one of the color variants for the Galaxy S25 Plus and S25 Ultra. These images not only highlight the sleek designs, but also confirm several rumored features. Color variants: Galaxy S25 Plus, Icy Blue. Galaxy S25 Ultra, Titanium Blue. These shades are distinctly different, living up to their unique names. Case design. Both devices are shown encased in transparent Spigen crystal flex cases, giving us an unobstructed view of their stunning designs. Standout features. Ultra-thin bezels. One of the most impressive aspects of the renders is the incredibly thin bezels on both models. These bezels are slimmer than anything we've seen in recent flagships, including Apple's iPhone 16 Pro Max. WinFuture's revelations, official cases, and new designs. Another trusted source, WinFuture, has shared fresh insights into the case designs and colors for the Galaxy S25 series. Official cases. The renders reveal official Samsung silicone cases for the S25 series. These cases bear the label designed by Samsung, ensuring authenticity and compatibility. Design consistency. The Galaxy S25 and S25 Plus share a near-identical design. Samsung has incorporated familiar design elements with a modern twist, particularly around the camera module, taking inspiration from its Galaxy Z foldable series. Samsung has officially confirmed that its next Unpacked event will take place on January 22, 2025 in San Jose, California. The event is widely expected to showcase the Galaxy S25, Galaxy S25 Plus, and Galaxy S25 Ultra. Pre-reservations for the Galaxy S25 series are already open, offering incredible perks for early customers. Among the incentives is a chance to win a $5,000 gift card to spend on Samsung.com. Here's what you'll get by reserving a Galaxy S25. $50 credit. Apply towards the device when pre-orders begin after the launch. Up to $900 trade-in credit. Reduce the cost by trading in an eligible device. $300 instant credit. Further cut the upgrade price. These combined savings can add up to $1,250, potentially making the Galaxy S25 upgrade highly affordable for many customers. The best part? Reserving your device is completely free. Simply visit Samsung's online store, enter your email, and secure these benefits, including an entry into the $5,000 giveaway. Samsung has officially released the teaser for the Galaxy S25 Ultra's Unpacked event, and there's plenty of exciting news to share. From a leaked image showcasing the phone's ultra-thin bezels to pre-order benefits and a major update on Ki 2 wireless charging, the Unpacked teaser features 2 clips focused on Galaxy AI, which Samsung is dubbing your true AI companion. Mark your calendars, it's all happening on January 22nd. Let's take a look.
Hey, when is the Samsung Galaxy Unpacked? Can you put it on my calendar?
What are we watching today? Something that makes us laugh? Makes us cry? Shows us new worlds? Teaches us new things? Or is it something that we've never watched before? Now TV gets to know you, who you are, what you love, so you can explore so much more. Understand things in new ways. Let your imagination go wild. Made just for you, and you, and you. This isn't just a new television, it's a whole new vision. Because the TV of tomorrow isn't about what's on, it's about who's watching.
Thank you so much for joining me in this video. If you enjoyed what you saw, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button below. Peace out.